go on to the place names. One of the first times I was out on a farm, I went with the farm. It was quite a large farm, about 200 acres, and we were up the far end of the farm, and I was doing my mapping and all that, and he said to me, this is field, he said, is Park Shrone a wicked wool, and that field, he said, there is Park Shrone a wicked gill. The field of the big pigs now, and the field of the small pigs now. But we were in O'Donoghue's pub one night, myself and a Dutchman, and he was remarkable for all the lovely Irish names that was around the coast and Fenor, and I said to him, sure, maybe we'll get together and put a bit of a song together. It's not a masterpiece now, but this is how it goes. Get the right key now. From Ballybotten to Glenina, past the pinnacle to Blackhead, I can see the bend for home now, and I know what lies ahead. It's the village of my childhood, by the wild Atlantic Sea, and Blackhead is more wild, often or so dear to me. And beyond the head there lies Maroon, and to the sandy beach, and the school that caused an uproar once, where O'Shea and Lee did teach. The coast road leads to Craigha, the boring quail runs to the sea, where the roads at Lapinishka are still there for all to see. Up in Ballella's green field, we used to work and toil all day, looking out across Howgorn. You'd see the mackerel rising in the bay. We'd grab the rods and fishing tack and head down to Harkey, or maybe launch the colour from the slipway in Derry. I will walk on once I'm rested, and I'll go towards Ballyree, where Paul Salach and young couple from the road can be seen. And the favourite place for fishing bass, the sandy shoreline at Trawee, or walk the stony fields from there at a place called Dunbannerlee. I can climb up Bourne and Ailshire, and through Crumlin that lies there, and Fonaroska and Ballyiney, on that same green hillside fair. There's Shrevelva and his boglands, where all turf banks can be seen. Excuse me. And I'll say a prayer at the blessed well before I reach Coolmean. There you'll see old Burren farmsteads, where the people once did toil. There I reach the Cahar Valley and the village of Fermyle. And when I leave Cahar down Long Cron, I now will go, where those lovely mountain heavens bloom and the Cahar waters flow. And the coast where Irish names abound, again comes into view. There is Lacknanabe and Isle to mention but a few. There's Paul Moradney Hoohill and Paul Nadobe that lies round there, near Clonalk, the Eagle Rock, of which seamen must beware. And further down Closcolsha, which as ancient legends own, was by competing giants from the Aran Islands thrown. Well, all those lovely place names that I first learned as a boy, in all my memories of those days, they fill my heart with joy. I think of Portna Farraga, Travella Halleca and Paul Hugh, and now I'm going to take my rest, and I'll head for O'Donoghue. And I'll sit there by the fireside, and I must think hard and long on ways how to capture all these places in a song.